So let's go, guys. Going in the mountain again. We're late today, guys, because it was so rainy earlier. Sheesh, good. The motorcycle is a little bit good now. So beautiful. We miss here. Actually, we're here, guys, as always, but we have a special news, good news today. This walk be. Sheesh. It's good. It's not. I don't know. Dying.
We're up on the mountain looking for the white anwang. Say hello. Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Okay, let's go find the white anwang.
It's Kano Anwang.
That's what Skylar said. Kano anwang. It's like me.
It's white. The father is foreigner and the mother is Filipina.
The father is a foreigner.
Ay, Nigerian na nga nanay.
Yeah, this is a very beautiful. Oh, it is white. You weren't kidding.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Look at this place.
What time she give birth, Daipel?
Ay, aga.
Early this morning, James. She give birth.
Do you guys put iodine on the umbilical cord? It's still wet.
Hmm?
And back in the U.S., I put iodine.
I put something, a different one to make it dry, like anum. Tangos, di ba anum?
Is she mean when she has a baby?
No.
Okay, that's good.
Zoom in, James, so that people can see the beautiful cow.
Sometimes the baka get mean when they have a baby.
It's very clean, no?
Yeah.
She is licking it.
Is it female?
Yeah, female.
Oh, wow.
Princess is black. They are half sister.
Princess is half sister?
And her. Princess, guys, is our first carabao of James here in the mountain.
Bahubog ka naman.
Sila!
Cute ka na.
Yeah. It's big. It's got a big body. It's going to be a very large one.
Yeah.
It's very
The
long.
father is white, James.
The body is lengthwise very long, and the legs are very long. It's tall.
Tata
It's
is
gonna
very happy.
it's gonna be huge.
Yeah.
That's not a little one.
Tata is very happy. It's big.
Yeah, the chickens are all the way over here, huh?
Our chickens, even until there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That kind of carabao is nice because she give birth every year.
Yeah. Yeah, it's zoomed in. I want to show the calf as nice as. Take a couple of still shots of it too. What are you gonna call her? Pinky?
Pinky.
Whitey.
Whitey?
Whitey Filipino.
Pinky or Whitey?
Anak na
Wow,
nanay,
it's
hindi
good
ka.
news. Nice one.
She's all pink, her nose.
She's team kind of carabao. Some carabao is aggressive. She's not.
Doniga talaga.
That carabao is tatay switch it before. Because the carabao here, we're switching it. James!
Hey mom. Easy girl.
Hello.
Easy girl. Now she was giving me a little bit of a look there. That was scary.
Yeah. She's a good mom. She's aggressive. Just like that. She know how to protect her cow. Tata is here, guys.
Ano kulay mata na? Bahubog ba? Ano nang problema?
Grabe ta, hay. Basin sa sapat, hay.
Cute, no?
Cute, puti, kakaiba ta. Naila ko sa puti nga kulay, tay. Tatay like the white color, James.
Yeah, I like it too. It's cute.
Hangawang kaya ko pag sinand that picture ito sa GC ay. Putit amakon itatay nga tong tiyo ah. Kabasko guta ah.
Sana oh.
Aba ni James tayo ha. Gabi baho magagkuon ama na anang kurte tiyawas. Sayo dabi ni James sa mga baka tay. Agkabubaho asiki. James, her pit is so long and big, no?
Yeah, that's good. She's gonna be huge. She's gonna be over a ton when she grows up. How heavy does Tatay think she's gonna get? A ton?
Mga pilang mga buga. Nilada to siguro magbaho ko noon tay.
Kuya pa nga 11 months ang 11 buwan, 11 daw.
11 months. In your James, in your country, you inject that calf?
Loose mineral
Loose
with an emphasis on calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Selenium.
But here, James, in the mountain, is we are not commonly inject or something like that.
Your soil here, you're close to the sea, so hopefully it's got a lot of minerals in it, but I don't know. It can't hurt. A little bit extra calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. It's a good.
Yeah, Tatay know already that she will give birth today.
11 months and 10 days.
11 months and 10 days. I thought 9. Sus Maria Josep.
So she was 11 months and 10 days?
Oh,
okay. So they can go live.
James, you wanna climb that?
Yeah.
That's James, slippery, Tatay said.
It's what?
Slippery. Madanlog means slippery.
Missouri is slippery too, Karen.
Aragay. Agoy. Agoy, dumahulog ko.
Yeah. Yeah.
Watch out, it's slippery.
The mais have James.
Yeah, it's tasseling.
Ay, bilanggo. There's already a mais. Yeah. Let's go there, Jim.
Sure about the mini over. The people would love this. I can see you are filming. Good. Very beautiful. All right. Corn and rice.
This is where we put our bike, guys.
Yes, let's do that soon.
Or there's kagup-dup We're eating this, James. Nami na dayag. James. Guys, we're eating this kind of fungus daday. Fungus daday. Is it fungus? We're eating this.
What?
This
Oh Lord, don't eat that.
We're eating that.
Oh no.
It's good when there's cassava leaves. When I was a kid, I'm getting it.
I can't believe you're eating that.
Don't step here, huh? A lot here.
You can have it. I don't want it.
You must try.
No.
This, guys, it's so tasty. This is so tasty kind of food we have here in the mountain. That's why my grandmother lives very long, guys, because she's eating that kind of food here in the mountain. We called here in Aklan kagup-dup. Look at the mais.
It looks good.
Yeah, it's healthy. They like the soil. Ay, a lot of kagup-dup, James, Kanakasamit ka karaday. Nami kami makamay payok.
Bulan ta. Lami galing na.
Karen, don't eat that.
It's so tasty. You cannot explain how tasty. Like a family of mushroom.
That's what I was afraid of.
Kami dad ano. Ano dito
This is the katming ko puti da. Nasa rod. Ay, orange. I think orange, James. No, this is the seeds that we bought in
Pacifica.
Pacifica,
Yeah.
guys.
It's gonna be white corn.
Puti gid man dai.
It's good. It's a good variety. I like what it's doing.
That's what the hair is different. That's why.
The silk.
Taller than me.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm impressed with the variety. I didn't think it was going to be that tall. It's good because it's only like 60-day corn. It's doing that in 60 days. That's amazing. But for the Philippines, you get a lot of sunlight here. So a lot of growing degree days. Growing degree days is how you measure it in reality, not by the amount of days.
Uy. Sobra yung mga gamit payag dito tapos babaw ko. Mag-hi guys sa jeans. Right? You make by kubo and hi guys.
Yeah, up there, let's do it.
And alright. And hi guys. The soil here is good.
Yeah.
Even here, you clean here, you can plant a lot of corn. Nabuhi mataday kan imo nga tuday nga niyog day ag.
Ay,
nga ginbuo nga to.
ay, why pa mapatay mo? May dito man, nakway ta.
Tamay takway makaranda. Mingko imo pa kaugan.
Nagpanakway ko karang sanong nga way gani.
Masyan, manakway tasin.
Diyan sa dalom ka, Indian Minggo nga daw.
Pwede pa rin.
Para may i-vlog ka mo.
Yes.
Kaya sa sunod ma-vlog man ako.
Imo nga pangalan sa YouTube. Skibidi. My niece channel later on James is Skibidi.
What?
The name of her channel she wanna make is, the name is Skibidi.
How do you spell that? Skibidi?
Skibidi. Like Miniput.
Pero, how lang
Let's-
guys, kita itong ginbuol ko nga takway, naula, panulula, pagdaha na. Wapo. Pinaghirapan ko pa man to.
There James, our Carabao princess.
Oh yeah, princess.
She soon she will breed too.
Now the baby daddy of Whitey
Yeah.
over there. Can we breed to princess and get another white one?
Yeah,
Oh, that would be good.
all are white.
Are you afraid they're gonna get sunburn? Are you gonna put lotion on them?
I will buy sunscreen for them.
Their noses are gonna get burned.
I will buy sunscreen for our white.
Gani. Nag-brown dun gani ha, nagputi.
Princess, how you doing? Poor baby.
Dun. Nag-brown dun gani.
Princess, how you doing? Poor baby.
Basi naka-koji.
Princess looks good. None of that, princess. Easy now.
Kanayan sinamay siguro kita.
You look good.
She's fatty.
Yeah, she's looking really good.
Look at the butt.
Yeah. Lots of butter.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Hi princess, bye. Bahong matag. Okay nanay, nagito ng tsura. So guys, my niece and I will gonna get a takway. This is the, what do you call that? You can find it in the roots of taro. This takway is available only in our surrounding, guys. But it's edible. It's so tasty. James like it too. This is we call takway. I don't know in English, guys. What do you call this in English, Daifel?
I don't know.
This is the long. This is short, guys. Some, if it's old already, it's so long. There's a lot here, and we are going also there to get more takway. Tastes so good. We are eating this also, guys. This young one. This, we call this in Aklan abagong. It's much better, guys, if it's rainy, because the takway is a lot if rainy season. If dry is no, because the taro or the abagong needs always water. They are not healthy if it's dry. I don't get this, guys, because it's small. Here. So as you can see here, guys, the rice field of my father, he is preparing already for the water. Then after that, he will plant it. So I don't know in English, guys, I'm sorry, but that is kind of a process of how we plant here in the mountain. The rice field that need water, you need to flip first all of the soil. We are using here the Carabao, doing this everything. We don't have any machine here, guys. We only use Carabao, helping my father here. So this is our bridge. Oops, it's not durable. Die, Aktia, die. Wow, my niece got a lot. I don't get the small one, guys, because later on it will also get long. Here, there's a lot of young. I cannot find the takway here. Wow, a lot of dragonfly. Wow, this one is long. Takway. They are. Natabunan na bisan natin mo nun. More takway to come. They are hiding, guys, because there's a grass here. This is what we eat here in the mountain, guys, every day. Especially if rainy season, you can make this adobo, or you can make it as like a soup. You just add water and onion. Oh, here there's a long one. Oh, here. The takway here are more long than earlier. They or tumpo ko nang naton karaho.
Wala, ang tawa tita, cute.
We need to be careful here because sometimes there's a scorpion or there's a snake. Dangerous. Mga. Huwag sila nagawa.
Kasi masaya.
Hindi
Bawa labog-labog ba?
Tay. Oh. Saan tay? Umuwa. So our neighbor here guys have nice farm also. Tatay want to show.
Lalo labog-labog lo.
Hindi. Meron pa huag.
Bulag-bulag ba? Kadlo na vlog ka man lo.
Yeah. Hada ba mga bagong dayo? Hindi ikaw ang ayawan ka na ko. Ayawan ka ting doon. They are not using Carabao guys for their planting rice. Huwag na nanda di karangan na gana si Toy ay. Ikaw marado. Going to my neighbor's farm. This is their rice field guys, but they don't have Carabao. They cannot prepare this rice field. That's why Tatay gonna help them. We will use our Carabao to flip the soil and to loosen it. Cute The rice field guys, they are not using Carabao, they are only using some human tools to create like this, but it's cute guys. They burn it. Huy. Yeah, they are preparing this layer also here. They are getting their rice there. Then here too. I just colored. Ha? Ay abaw. May anda pa ito. Ay, yagali. There's another guys. Tatay said it's difficult. Takes time also. No Carabao. That's why it's very important to have a Carabao guys. We don't eat our Carabao here. We use it for helping us for our farm. Wow, they are planting something also there guys. They have also here ikasaba. May baling huy masandaho ag batohon tay no. Yeah, gabit abong bato. Kung ikaw tay. Hindi ka mo. Ayawan ka ting doon. Tatay said that they should ask help, guys, to the person who have a carabao, because it's very fast only. Uy. Nowadays, more people are using more machines, but here is we use only carabao. Uy, abo matang kita dai. Harus. Uy. Ya. Nay matangaban anwang ho ang tambok. Ay abaw.
Pikado din kami guys. Sure. Tama ko dalong. Ano ba nito mga kita may reach? Kita?
Ay. Sus. Diretso ta. Uy. So long, guys.
O diba? Rich.
Uy. Dandog ang sinilas ah.
Agay.
Alright, alright.